Alright my friend, it's Cro-Van time! So my friends, that's the K-bar, I think 5110 blade. Here's the awesome K-bar sheath. Yeah, check it out. It's brand new, perfect. Now we get some tree. Let's get some tree here. Wow, it's sharp. It's definitely sharp. Alright. 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 Tree down. Check it out, here's the damage. And there are ants living inside here. It's an ant tree. Fantastic. Freaking fantastic. Here the other part. Yeah, there's definitely something living inside here. 100%. Alright, awesome. Freaking awesome K-bar fighting knife. Oh yeah. Alright my friend, check out the edge. Perfect. No nicks, nothing. Perfect. This is razor sharp. No problemo with the tree. It's kind of lightweight, but it's a cool chopper. It's a better chopper than a cold steel Warcraft and a better chopper than a cold steel GI Tento for sure. So it's very good. It's very nicely in the hand, very good for chopping, no hotspot, nothing, it is sharp, you can go through a tree, small tree, no problemo, so freaking awesome till now. Yeah. Alright my friend, it's K-bar! K-bar! Awesome blade! Oh yeah! It's K-bar time! Alright my friends, that's the K-bar after the tree action. There's a little bit rust on the blade. You can see the rust a little bit, but not too much. Not too freaking much. Wow! Fantastic matrix from the K-bar. Fantastic! Works fantastic. Now against the car. Let's go! Wow! Okay. I don't know. Maybe dull. No. Okay. Yeah, the tip is dull. Tip must be dull. Wow. Wow. Yeah. While stabbing, this handguard hurts like a mofo. This handguard is absolutely not good for stabbing. Yeah, you have not so much penetration power, and this handle is shit. This handle is bullshit. some more. Ah, fuck! Fuck it. Yeah, the cast tabs from the K-bar, they were not so amazing. I think the tip got dull pretty quickly and then the penetration is not as fantastic. But you can see there are some penetration holes, which is fine, but after dulling it's not too good anymore. Alright, I love my car. Some wax with the K-bar at the car door, shall we? Okay, not heavy breakouts. Yep. What? Okay, check it out. Looks like this, some more. Okay, that's it for the K-bar, my friends. That's the door from the K-bar. Fantastic result of the K-bar. This is really awesome. What this tiny plate could do against this heavy chunks of the door, that's fantastic. Alright my K-bar friends, check it out. After the car we have some serious breakouts here at the edge. The rest is not too much, could be repaired I think, just one heavy chunk. And the tip is dull, but it's still kind of pointy. The tip is still kind of pointy, but I don't have too much penetration, which is weird. Alright, and the hand guard is shit, because when you stab, your hand comes onto the guard and this hurts like a mofo. This is not so good. You can see it's kind of not so fresh anymore. Okay, now we will see if we will perform at the tip test. Tip test for the K-bar. Yes sir. Yep, no problem for the K-bar so far. This is very hard oak, so like concrete. Concrete for the K-bar. Austrian oak against American blade. Fantastic. Schwarzenegger against Trump. Okay, what do we have here? Nothing. Still awesome. Still fantastic. Awesome. Nothing. Okay. Brick. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I bended it. The tip is fine, but the blade is fucked. Okay. I need to bend it back. Bend it back with the brick. Oh, Alright, brand new blade, fantastic. Check this out. Fuck. Oh my god, what's this shit? Used me with a keybar problem. What the fuck is this? This is really bad. Try this. Where's the stick? Okay. Oh fuck. That went car fucking boom. It broke in 3 pieces. There's the first one. There's the second one. And one is in the stump. It's fucked, man. It's fucked. Okay, the short keybar is fucked now. Take it out. Okay, now somewhere at the spine with our breaker. Edge is pretty, yeah, it's not too bad actually. It's fine. Check it out. Something is happening here. I'm not sure what. I'm really not sure what. Okay, fuck it. This is how it looks like. Iron rod time. Yeah. I'll fuck it up at the iron rod. Let's go. Alright, my friends. The remains of the USA K-bar looks like shit now. Bend against the iron rod. Let's go. We start with the fucking edge. Okay, check it out, the edge. It's not too bad. Wow. Okay, one hit at the spine and adios K-bar. Alright, my friends, adios K-bar. Who's your king, my friends? Joe freaking fucking X. Okay, see ya. Alright, my American USA friends. K-bar comes with this sheath. Yeah, it's okay, it's fine, but who cares, because the blade is full oaked. So I couldn't find all pieces, but what I found is this Emerson. I found the missing Emerson blade, which is fantastic. Edge is rusty. Okay. Stabs were okay, but this handguard is a pain in the ass when you stab, because your hand gets stuck all the time. The handle is fantastic, the material is fantastic. This pommel at the back, it's okay. You can also stab like this. You have the blade like this and stab like this, which is also fantastic. Okay, handguard is shit. Tip test was amazing. Usually I don't think that you can break this tip very easy, but a little bit deeper inside and you could see it was bended like fuck. That's what the K-bar do. that what K-bar is doing. They bend, this is bad. This kind of bending is really bad because it's when you want to pry something open or you stab a zombie and go up and down, then your blade is bent and this is shit. Okay, here the edge retention of the remaining blade. You can see heavy chunks here. Heavy chunks. But at the iron rod the damage was not too bad. Okay, there's a part missing, sorry for that, I couldn't find this shit. Alright, you can see the edge retention is not too bad from the brick. Breaking point from the tip test. Here the other break, it broke kind of weird. It broke like this, check this out. It broke kind of weird, but this is how it is. I think that's it, now I'm gonna shoot this mother. Alright, now the K-bar USMC knife I think, or 411 something knife. Against your GLOCK. In 9mm. Check it out, it cracked it open. It cracked it open. Here the entry wounds. It's bent. Yeah, it's doing not too much. Okay, multiple entry wounds. And it's doing nothing. Fantastic handle. Okay, now the K-bar against the AOG. Chamber in FF6. Alright. One went through. One entry. Okay, we have exit and entry, yeah. That's still sharp. Entry or exit. Entry, exit. Yeah, hit the same spot again. Same spot again. Wow. And now it's not bent anymore. Check this out. But this is a fantastic material. Another one. I would say that's it. Alright my friends, that's the result of the K-bar 5011 made in Taiwan. No, the plastic sheet is made in Taiwan, it's made in the USA. Yeah, made in the USA, you can see it clearly, here's the box. It's the original K-bar, so it's not choke. Yeah, you get this one here. After the shooting you could see the GLOCK. We have multiple entry wounds with the GLOCK. Everywhere here. The small spots are the GLOCK. Fantastic, did not too much to the handle. Then 3 shots with the EOG. Destroyed it completely, took the inside, outside. So it's pretty messed up now. But still probably usable. But you can see here, you can turn this off now. And this looks like this. Pretty fantastic. And the handle is coming out from the EOG shots. The handle is coming out, not the handle. The tang is coming out. Looks like this. Shit tang or stick tang or whatever. So it's an impressive result for the shooting. Pretty fantastic for the K-bar. Can we open this here? No? Yeah. That's the inside. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hasta mañana. Toma arigato. Shemi neser. Mama's fucking day, my friends. Adios. See ya. Bye. Ciao. Hasta la vista, baby.